The basic unit in bodybuilding training is the repetition. Now, a repetition is made up of two key points. It's basically going to be the full extension of the muscle when the muscle is fully stretched out, and the full contraction of the muscle when the muscle is bunched up and is pulled together and shortened. So a repetition is going to be going back and forth between that extension and that contraction on every single body part. Now, repetitions combined together constitute a set. So a set, let's say in your workout, you are supposed to do a set of 12 repetitions. What you would be doing is 12 times in a row, be going from this contraction position to the extension position, back and forth until you get to 12. And that would constitute a set of the exercise.
A basic set in bodybuilding usually consists of 8 to 12 repetitions. Why this number? Trial and error experience and some independent scientific research has shown that the muscle tends to grow best when subjected to about 70 to 75% of its 1 rep maximum strength, the maximum amount of weight the muscles can lift in that exercise one time. And when you do as many sets as you can with this amount of weight, you end up doing somewhere from 8 to 12 reps. Therefore, as you begin bodybuilding training with the Weider system, pick a weight for any exercise that lets you do at least 8 repetitions, but not so light you can do more than 12. An exercise consists of a group of sets. This too can vary, but generally the Weider system recommends from 3 to 5 sets of any exercise and from 12 to 16 sets for any body part, with a few less for some body parts and certain kinds of training, and a few more for others. In bodybuilding training, you can end up resting for a shorter or longer period of time depending on what kind of set you're doing. For mass training, for example, in tape 7, you rest for several minutes. Using certain intensity techniques in tape 9, you may not rest at all between sets. But for the purposes of getting started with the Weider system workouts, you should rest from 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Or if you're training with a workout partner, do your set, rest while your partner does their set, then jump back in and do your next set.
You usually want to do somewhere between 8 and 12 or 15 repetitions in a set. So it is important to increase the weight because that's putting different type of pressure that the body has to respond to.